Now we've got 5 junctions, most hardest junctions in West London. So what test centre have I dragged you out to today, Francis?
No idea, we're in the arse end of nowhere.
He has no idea where he is.
No idea where we are.
We blindfolded him, we put him in the boot and we just dragged him all the way across the other side of London.
Yep.
He has no idea where he is. We're at Greenford.
Greenford, right? So Scott told me to come to Greenford and I literally had to Google where Greenford is. I'm not from around here. This is not my test centre at all.
Kid,
Okay.
how complicated most of these junctions
So
can
it's
be.
hard around here.
Yeah.
That's what
Okay.
she said.
Alright. Cut. Right, so what we're going to do is just going to plough on. We're going to take Francis to these junctions. We're going to see how he deals with these junctions without having zero experience in this
not at
area,
all.
let alone these junctions.
And we're in Scott's automatic spaceship.
Alright? And today, at 2 Day Pass, Francis is going to sing I'm a Little Teapot.
Am I? To teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout.
Yeah?
Okay,
And I accidentally poked myself in the eye.
you're right. Your eyes were watering. You need to go back to hospital.
And we do an emergency stop. Right, here we are now, junction number 4. We tried to do that one, but you can't do 4. You got to use. No, I'm confused. Follow the sign to Harrow.
Okay.
Not Harrow on the Hill, Harrow.
Harrow, so a little right, left.
Use the left lane.
Left lane, yeah? Okay.
Now I said I wouldn't give him advice, but we use the left lane.
Okay.
Ahead.
Okay, yeah, so in the left lane you can go left or left, right.
Good.
Right, left.
Right, left.
If I was in the right lane, then I'd have to change lanes.
You'd have to cut across, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Really like your positioning here.
So it's a giveaway line there, but there's nothing coming. So I'm going to just let people know that I'm not carrying on. Checking my mirrors, might be a cyclist on motorbike.
Right, good. Now you see
outside.
how you would initially have took the right lane.
Yeah. And I've had to cut across. It's not busy today, so I would have been able to. But on a busy day today, I bet that junction is a
So
lot more
let's
congested.
say, play devil's advocate. You use the right lane.
Yeah.
Would you still continue to go to Harrow?
No, if there was anything that I could cut across, if it was completely clear, I'd
Yeah.
do what the examiner wanted, but otherwise I'd go the wrong way.
Good. Now, like earlier when we did the junction following the signs to Oxford, junction number 1, I remained quiet the first time. Do you notice? And let you continue.
Let me go the wrong way. Yeah. The examiners will do the same.
Very good.
Or
yeah.
they should do the same.
Correct.
If they try and entice you to go the correct way from the wrong lane, what would you do then? Because that's happened to me before. And she failed a driving test for doing what he kept encouraging her to do. Well unfair. So,
My attorney advises me to make no comment.
So what I advise people to do is, if they're going the wrong way and the examiner says, no, it's this way, and you can see clearly that it's going to be a problem to go that way, just say, sorry, I'm in the wrong lane now, I'm going this way. You have to, because you're in charge of the safety, you're in charge of the car, so you have to be in charge of where you're going.
We're going to do the same junction again,
Yeah.
same way, but okay. See, it says Greenford this time.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, so it's the little right, left, and I know how to do it this time, so I'm going to keep to the left. Yes, because there's the road markings telling me that I can turn right from the left lane. That's a lot more easy than doing it from the other direction.
Oh, he saved himself 3 points on his license and a fine.
Yeah, what, from going through the red light?
No.
Amber
That's
light.
6 points, isn't it?
Is that? No,
think
well,
it's
amber
6
lights is
points.
3 points.
No, the bicycle box.
Oh,
3 points and a fine.
yeah.
Well done.
Yeah,
Stopped yourself just before it now. On a serious note, that's a
Practice
fail.
with the emergency stopping, haven't I?
Yeah, well done. See, so everything that Francis was yammering on about earlier with the safety thing, which is totally correct, by the way, it actually served the purpose. It emergency stop at the traffic light. But well done. If you went in the bicycle box, you'd fail.
Fail your driving test.
Yeah. Now, for
Harsh.
signalling, now you would also fail.
Really? If I signalled left now?
You didn't signal.
Oh, yeah, because I'm just following the road.
Were you at the first junction?
No, if I signalled left at the first junction, then I'd be misleading. Yeah.
So, did you need to signal right?
Well, I wouldn't have signalled right either because it might look like then I'm trying to change lanes, so that might be misleading.
Okay. guess that's down for sort of discretion.
Yeah,
really.
like, again, there could be
There's
different
two
ways
ways
of doing.
you could go there.
Yeah.
You saw the arrows, the road markings, which you pointed out, which was excellent, which was nice. This way can be done on test.
Would you have signalled right then?
I would have, because
Yeah.
there's two different
Two ways you could go.
go.
Yeah. You got to work the balance, I guess. Is it more misleading to signal? Is it more helpful for people to know where you're going?
Good.
Are you going to be misleading more people than you're helping, or helping more people than you're misleading? That's what you're going to decide. Use to decide whether you should signal. You're right there. Giving it the old test. When you start braking heavily on driving tests, or you brake too hard, do the examiners around here do it as well? They go, oh, proper dramatic. The examiners in Morden do it. When you brake too hard, they'll go, oh. And it's like, I'm not sure whether they're being dramatic or they're trying to tell you, like, start braking more gently. I think they're trying to give you a hint. Start braking more gently because you're braking too hard, and it's actually dangerous for the car behind. Like, if the car behind is too close to you and you brake heavily, they're not going to expect you to brake that hard. So there's a safety thing involved there, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
But you just did it as well, really theatrical. I braked quite hard. You did a proper slow motion, right?
What are you trying to say? I'm hamming it up here, Frank.